Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to print out stunning, large format posters and plots with ease, right in your own office or studio. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340 36-inch large format 5-color poster and plotter printer makes that dream a reality. This amazing device is a turnkey solution, meaning it comes with everything you need to get started, including ink, a print head, and a 36-inch roll of CES imaging bond paper. That's right, folks, you don't have to worry about buying any extra accessories or supplies to get up and running. And with CES Imaging being a Canon Platinum reseller, you know you're getting top-notch quality and support. But what really sets the TM-340 apart is its ease of use. The included stand and basket make it easy to set up and use, even in small spaces. Plus, the compact design means it won't take up too much room in your office or studio. Now, let's talk about print speed. With the TM-340, you can print out stunning, full-color posters and plots at a speed of approximately 2.7 ppm. That's fast, folks, especially when you consider the high quality of the prints. And with the 4.3-inch adjustable user interface screen, you can easily navigate the printer's settings and options to get the perfect print every time. Whether you're a graphic designer, architect, or engineer, the TM-340 has got you covered. You can print out detailed, accurate plots and diagrams with ease, and the 5-color ink system ensures that your prints are vibrant and lifelike. But what really impressed me about the TM-340 is its media detection and color calibration capabilities. The printer can automatically detect the type of media you're using and adjust the print settings accordingly, ensuring that you get the best possible results. And with the built-in color calibration system, you can be sure that your prints are accurate and consistent every time. This is especially important for professionals who need to print out high-quality images and graphics on a regular basis. Whether you're printing out posters, plots, or photos, the TM-340 delivers exceptional results that are sure to impress. In addition to its impressive features and capabilities, the TM-340 also comes with a 2-year warranty, giving you peace of mind and protecting your investment. And with 300 milliliters of ink included, you can print out hundreds of pages before needing to replace the cartridges. But don't just take my word for it. The TM-340 has received rave reviews from professionals and hobbyists alike, who praise its ease of use, high-quality prints, and reliability. So what are you waiting for? If you're in the market for a high-quality, large-format printer that can handle all your printing needs, look no further than the Canon imagePROGRAF TM-340. With its turnkey solution, fast print speed, and advanced media detection and color calibration capabilities, this printer is a game-changer. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and experience the power and versatility of the TM-340 for yourself. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Get ready to take your printing to the next level and unlock new possibilities for your business or creative projects. Don't wait. Click the